Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Masi. In case you're new in this channel, welcome a lot. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks a lot. I don't take that for granted. Thanks for stopping, guys, people. So, guys, today this is me in the office. It's Monday around 10 a.m. in the morning. So let me show you my outfit of the day. And this is my outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. This is black pepper. Just a little because we got kids. We're sharing the food with the kids. Garlic, garlic, garlic. What are you saying, baby? What is this baby saying? Then we got, I've showed you garlic, guys. Instead of going for the fresh one, I decided to buy this one here. Ginger, but not a must. I'm just gonna put a little. Just a little is enough. Guys, we are making bhajia. Bhajia is, as I had said earlier, is the English potato blended. I don't know. Do we say blended or what? We say blended in some flour, spiced flour. So this is how I spice my flour. Then I go to this one is for beef. I want to make it taste like beef thing, so I must add just a little for the beef. Then cumin. Oh no. Cumin. Let me add a little cumin. I said half a spoon. Then paprika. And lastly, my food color cloves. Tomato color. Tomato. So guys, it's already 6 in the evening, almost 7, but we're gonna roll with it. Even if I'm gonna finish at around we don't put more, just a little, because whoa, it's gonna get concentrated. So that's tomato cloves, food coloring. Then you mix. I've not placed salt. Is it salt or salt? Salt here to bring some taste. Then That thing for whisking. In fact, I needed warm water because I'll put some baking. I'm gonna put warm water instead of the cold one. And some oil. Just a little oil is enough. Okay, guys, I don't know which food color would you go for. I thought this is red, or I should add a little. It's ready, so we're gonna wait for a while as I continue dipping them inside. They overcooked. They're not supposed to cook like this. They're supposed to remain this way. Which means I was to boil them for like only 5 minutes. If it's more, then I get them out of the heat. But I forgot I was cooking, and this is the result. I love it, guys. So guys, this is the kitchen. It's at night. It's already 7 p.m. But we must create content. Small beginnings. Don't despise small beginnings. One day, one time, things are gonna be okay. And I'll be using my cooker. But for now, I don't want my gas to be finished when I still don't know where the money is gonna come from. That's why I'm not using this. But I resoluted to this. Yo. This one in Kenya we called it jiko. I have a video where I've shown how we lit it in Kenya. So as I've said earlier, it's around 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. at night. When you're in Kenya, that's the real time. But when you are in other countries, I don't know what the time is. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. Let's continue with our cooking. But before that, guys, I see this color is not that bad. Let me wash my hands so that I can show you in real life. Guys, this is the end result. As you can see, this is what I'm preparing to eat for supper. So thanks again guys for clicking. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, don't forget to subscribe, and let's meet again in the next video. See you again, my crew. Bye. Love you all.